moisturize your hair. Hello beautiful people, I hope that you're doing well. My name is Shereen Moore and I am the founder of Ivy Wild. Ivy Wild is a hair care products company which caters to wavy, curly and kinky hair types. In this video, I'm going to be speaking to you about hair breakage and how to avoid it. Our hair grows from our scalp, but we need to retain length, and in order to do that, we have to avoid breakage and avoid shedding. But this video, we're going to focus on the breakage. So to make this video really short, simple and quick, I'm going to break it down into 3 steps, 3 tips to help you retain your length. My very first tip is moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Moisturize your hair, honey. If your hair is dry and brittle, it's more likely that it's going to break off. Moisturize your hair. Moisturizing your hair is going to stop it from being dry, stop it from being brittle. A lot of it really depends on what your hair care routine is. Do you wrap your hair at night? Do you make sure that you actually add moisture onto it every day, at least once a day? These things are really important if you want your hair to grow, if you want to retain length. The 2 products I'm going to recommend to you from the Ivy Wild range is going to be the Leave-In Moisture Spray. Now this is new to the family, but it has lots of very nourishing ingredients in here. So in here you have avocado oil, you've got honey, you've got mango butter, and we've got aloe vera juice as the key ingredients in here. This is a spray, so all you're going to do each day is spray on your hair and go. The second product I want to introduce you to, if you aren't aware of this product already, this is our bestseller. It's the CHEBE Growth Cream. CHEBE is an ingredient which originates from Chad in Africa, and it actually helps people to grow their hair. I don't know if you've ever seen the videos, but the ladies, they have some long, beautiful hair. In here with the CHEBE, you also get shea butter, you get avocado oil, which I don't know if you can tell, is a favorite ingredient of mine. A lot of other oils that are just fantastic for retaining length. So keeping your hair coated and moisturized is really important, because otherwise it's more likely to break off, and we want to avoid that as much as possible. CHEBE Growth Cream is something you can use when you're doing braid outs, twist outs, or if you wanted to use it as a mask. So if you wanted to actually coat all the hair strands and then wash it out the day after, this is fantastic for that. Let's talk about coconut oil really quick. So I don't use coconut oils in all of my products because I find that there are a lot of people that are actually sensitive to coconut oil. So instead of coconut oil, avocado oil is great. It's got a lot of proteins in there. Tip number 2, if you're not doing this point right here, if you're not doing this tip right here, honey, this is why you have breakage. If this is your first time, your first experience going natural, then this is going to be something you're going to have to remember to do. Wrapping your hair at night. To the sisters in the back that already do it, let's be honest, wrapping your hair at night can be a pain. No one really wants to go to sleep with a big bag on their head. No one wants their hair to be hidden away, especially if you're not sleeping alone. But it is really important because it is going to help you retain length and avoid breakage. The best kind of wrapping that you can do is anything with satin or silk, or if you've got a satin or silk bonnet, then that's fantastic too. Wrapping your hair can also help you maintain hairstyles too. So if you got your hair in braids or twists, then wrapping the style can actually help you keep it looking cute. Something else that's going to help you to retain length is remembering to put your head wrap in a place where you're going to remember it. So putting your head wrap under your pillow is going to be perfect for remembering to just whip it out and wrap your hair before you go to sleep. Better than that is actually getting a silk or satin pillowcase. That way when you're tossing and turning, your hair is not catching, it's not breaking. I'm going to challenge you just for 7 days to protect and wrap your hair. Comment down below. I want to know how you feel about this. Are you going to do it? Do you think you're going to be able to pull through on the 7th day? Are you going to remember to wrap your hair? If you place your headscarf on top of your pillow, you can see it, you can visually see it, you've got an even better chance of actually wrapping your hair. Tip number 3, my third and final tip for you guys. So tip number 3 is brought to you by myself and baby Kia. You need to protect your hair when you're styling it, ladies. So a new product that I've created is the curl conditioning butter. This butter is fantastic for braiding, cornrows, any kind of protective style that you're going to use is fantastic for that. This is what it looks like. I think I did a video when my sister actually did my hair in dreadlocks using this product. That's it for my tips today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.